CraftFolk is a marketplace that aims to connect buyers with unique handcrafted items from independent artisans. But is it really worth your time and money? Let's dive into what this platform offers and whether it lives up to its promise. CraftFolk positions itself as a platform for discovering one-of-a-kind goods, focusing on handmade crafts from various artisans. The site is user-friendly and designed to help shoppers easily navigate through a wide range of categories, from home decor to fashion accessories. However, while the concept is appealing, there are a few areas where CraftFolk feels a bit underdeveloped. For instance, the product descriptions can sometimes lack depth, leaving potential buyers wanting more information about the items they're interested in. Additionally, the search functionality could use improvements. Sometimes it feels like you're sifting through a lot of irrelevant results. The intended audience seems to be those who appreciate artisan craftsmanship and are looking for alternatives to mass-produced items. But if you're a more discerning shopper who values detailed descriptions and robust filtering options, you might find yourself frustrated navigating the site. On the plus side, CraftFolk shines in its mission to support independent creators, offering a range of unique products you won't find elsewhere. The visual appeal of the site is also a strong point, making it a pleasure to browse. However, there are some drawbacks. As I mentioned earlier, the lack of detailed product descriptions can be a deal breaker for many. Additionally, the platform currently does not offer a transparent return policy, which could make buyers hesitant. Pricing varies widely, which might confuse shoppers who expect more consistency. If you're someone who loves discovering handmade items and supporting small businesses, CraftFolk could be a good fit. But if you're looking for a seamless shopping experience with detailed information and solid customer service, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, CraftFolk has potential, especially for those who appreciate handmade crafts. However, it's essential to consider its current limitations, particularly around product details and customer support. If you enjoy unique finds and can navigate these challenges, it might be worth a try. Otherwise, keep an eye out for more established alternatives.